Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can make a payment for your Walmart reward card. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, it's a very easy method. All you gotta do is simply open up your browser, search in Walmart official website, and get over here. And once you have done so, you're simply gonna scroll for a bit, and then sometimes here listed as well you will be able to check out the reward cards. Otherwise you can go up and search for a reward card. Right, once you do that, this will simply give you the available options for Walmart reward card, which I just showed you right over here. We do have one by going the $10 per for the Walmart reward card as well. But if you simply scroll for further, you will also be able to find for other banks as Capital One's reward card as well. All you gotta do is go back and search for a specific one that you would require. It will be listed over here, and all you gotta do is simply tap on that reward card, and just like you purchase any other thing from your Walmart, that's how you're gonna make a payment for it. So for example, if we have this product right over here, and if you're gonna buy that, we're simply gonna go to and add this to cart and go ahead, go to the checkout section, and we'll do the payment for it. There's the same method for your reward cards as well. So make sure to do that and you're good to go. So that's how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.